As a data processor in our building, we have so many programs, so many kids and so many things going on that we obviously are in charge of, and one, we just want to take care of these kids. Vondal is literally the backbone of so many programs that we have on campus. She is the behind-the-scenes workhorse for everything we do. The other thing we love about Vondal so much is just not only does she take care of all the staff and all the teachers, but she takes care of our kids. One of the things that we also love is that we have a program that some of our kids, when they are not able to afford prom dresses, she is right there to help those kids, not only to help them get the dress, but then she alters it for the female that we have that needs that dress. And this is all on her own time, and it's just a great thing. And so without Vondal, we don't operate like we should. And because of her, we make a lot of students and their lives much, much better.